Ever wanted to lock Google Chrome so no one else can access it? Whether it's for privacy or productivity, I'll show you a simple way to do it in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Transcend L. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to lock Google Chrome using a powerful free app. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. We'll guide you through how to lock Google Chrome. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video to go and do this. We are going to need an application, and the application is by a company called Auth. So type in Auth, just like so. And the website is Auth. Once you're on the website, go to the top and hover over Secret Folder. So this application is going to go and allow us to go and lock apps, and so we can go and lock Chrome with it. Go and click on Download. Then what you need to do is come down to the bottom. And as you can see, here it is. Here we can go and click on it, and then it will take us to the download page. Find Secret Folder and go over to the right and click on Download like so. And then it's going to download it now. Go and open up your File Explorer. Go to your Downloads folder. And then what you want to do is go and double click on the installer. You'll get an administrator pop-up, which you need to agree to, and then go through the setup after it's finished installing. You now need to go and enter a password for Secret Folder. So I'll go enter my now just of course make sure it's something you can remember, because you'll need to go and enter this when you wish to go and unlock a program. You can then choose a recovery email. I'll go and use mine there, and I'll then press OK. It'll then go and set this up. Secret Folder will then go and load, go to the top left and go and click on ADD. Now what we need to do is go and find the actual Google Chrome application, not just a shortcut, so the actual exe for it. So to go and do this by default, it's going to be in your program files. If you've done a custom install and change the location, go and find it. But by default, it should be in this PC, local disk, and then program files, scroll down, look for Google, here it is, here. And as you can see, I've got Chrome and Google Earth Pro. But then what you want to do is go and select the Chrome folder, just like so, and click OK. And as you can see, the status is now locked. So now when I try and open up Chrome, we just go and get this pop-up here saying Windows is searching, and it won't be able to go and find it as it's been locked. And even if I go and search my computer for it, as well as you can see, click on it, and I can't go and open it, and then you want to use it all. You need to do is open up Secret Folder. So for example, I'll go and open it up like this. You'll then need to go and enter your password as well. And then what you can do is find it, press unlock, and then you can go and use it just as normal.